The Orlando Pirates winger Mofokeng has been advised by the Bafana Bafana legend to reject reports linking him to a move to Barcelona. The former South African international went on to name some smaller clubs in the Spanish La Liga and other leagues in Europe the youngster can join beside Barcelona. The Bafana Bafana legend Mccarthy had advised Mofokeng against the possibilities of leaving the Premier Soccer League for European giant Barcelona. The South African international has been linked to a Barcelona move, and the reports have generated reactions from top Mzansi football icons. The 20-year-old winger is one of the exciting prospects in the Betway Premiership since he has been promoted to the Buccaneers senior side 2 seasons ago. In an interview with Mccarthy, McCarthy told Mofokeng to reject a move to Barcelona or their rivals Real Madrid. According to Goal, the former FC Porto star explained why the Bafana Bafana winger shouldn't join these two top La Liga side, mentioning two teams seeking options. He said, "I think Mofokeng should not go to a country where he has to adapt because he needs to play," the UEFA Champions League winner said. So a move to Portuguese league would be great for him, as well as Spanish club where he's going to play and not sit on the bench. La Liga would suit Mofokeng's style nicely. He will not play at Barcelona or Real Madrid. He must go to a space like Macalo or Athletic Bilbao. The South African legend also mentioned his former club and Barcelona's city rivals as a good destination for the Orlando Pirates winger.
He's 20 years old now. But if you look, most of the 20-year-olds in Europe, some have already won World Cups. They're playing. Some have already won Euro Championships. So I think he needs to play, not go to a country where to adapt. And no, he needs to play. So I think a Portuguese league would be good. La Liga, teams that where he's gonna play and not sit on the bench. You know, La Liga would suit him. Very nice. Not Barcelona or Real Madrid. He's not gonna play there. He's not gonna play there. He must go to a place like Mallorca, Atletico Bilbao, Nico Williams. You know, he must be in those kind of teams. Celta Vigos would be a nice team for him as well. Espanyol, just a place where he's gonna not be wasted. Play, you know. France might be also a good place for him because the climate, at least he'll be sunshine like South Africa. In terms of is good also. Yeah, so France, I think Portugal, Spain, and France. Maybe one day if I coach in England and he's still young enough, I take him. But England will be almost impossible because, you know, it's too physical there. Yes. A coach must understand you. Oh, yeah. A coach must understand you. Then physicality is nothing to do with it. The skill, he's got. He'll play easy in England. But coaches that don't understand him will never play him. So you need a coach that understands you, that knows, what am I looking out of? What am I looking to get out of this player? Then you play. Other than that, difficult. But yeah, I would say that's where these people should be looking to pump him in and talk with Pirates. So